Welcome to the weekly Ransomware Roundup, your weekly summary about all things ransomware, data protection, data security, backup and DR, storage, and cloud. As always, the links for these news stories can be found in the description below. Without further ado, this is the Roundup for the second week of August, 2022. Cisco has confirmed a cyber attack after hackers gained access to an employee's personal Google account containing passwords synced from their web browser. The attacker attempted to bypass multi-factor authentication using voice phishing and MFA fatigue. Upon initial entry, the attacker escalated to administrative privileges to log in to several systems, including Citrix servers and domain controller. The attacker stole credentials and registries, cleared system logs to cover their tracks, and made changes to host-based firewall configurations to enable RDP access to systems. This week, researchers have revealed that Zimbra collaboration suite email servers can be compromised through a ZCS remote code execution flaw with the help of an authentication bypass bug. If successful, it allows attackers to deploy web shells on specific locations of the compromised servers to gain persistent access. Experts have identified over 1,000 ZCS instances that have been backdoored. A high-severity Palo Alto network's denial-of-service vulnerability has been exploited by cybercriminals looking to launch DDoS attacks, and several of the affected products won't have a patch until next week. The vulnerability received an 8.6 out of 10 CVSS score, and it affects Pan OS, the operating system in Palo Alto Network's security products. The bug is caused by a URL filtering policy misconfiguration that could allow an external attacker with network access to conduct reflected and amplified TCP denial-of-service attacks. Fiber Channel or iSCSI. Which storage area network protocol is faster and better suited for your block-level high-performance workloads such as databases, virtual environments, and CRMs? To help your storage administrators make the right choice, we've written a comprehensive guide comparing the two block storage protocols. Link in the description. VMware has warned its customers of a proof-of-concept exploit code for a critical authentication bypass flaw in multiple products. The proof-of-concept reveals that a malicious actor with network access to the UI can obtain administrative access without the need to authenticate. An automotive supplier had its systems breached and files encrypted by Lockbit, Hive, and Black Cat affiliates network on April 20th, May 1st, and May 15th, respectively. Lockbit and Hive distributed their payloads using the PsExec and PDQ deploy tools within 2 hours and encrypted and exfiltrated data on more than a dozen systems. 2 weeks later, a Black Cat threat actor also connected to the compromised server and installed the Atera Agent remote access solution and gained persistence on the network while exfiltrating data. Within half an hour, Black Cat delivered its payloads on the network and encrypted 6 machines after moving laterally through the network using compromised credentials. Lastly, the promo of the week. Get a 70TB expandable up to 4PB air-gapped and immutable Veeam, Rubrik, Commvault, Site Recovery, Backup and DR appliance with object lockdown technology for ransomware protection for $7,995. For hardware details and demos, visit Stonefly's website. That's it for this weekly roundup. Stay safe. See you next week.